he bring you? I want to see too.
A car race.
A race car?
I know.
Why don't you go through it all? You got a lot of stuff in there to go through. You gonna look and see what else is in your stocking? Whoa, that thing's heavy, huh?
That's all, man.
All right. Need something to drink? No? Moko says Merry Christmas. Keep digging and see what else is in there. What's that?
Moko.
That's Moko's? Is that bubble gum?
What do you mean for Moko?
Okay, you gonna save those for Moko? Well, keep digging. You got more stuff in there. You got lots of goodies. What's that? Are you sure you don't need nothing to drink? No, you don't want nothing? Why don't you just dump the whole thing out?
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
A white ball.
Where does that go? Did Santa bring you an ornament for the Christmas tree? It's got candy in it? You want to go put it on the Christmas tree? That's pretty. Good job.
Hey, Mama.
Is there another one?
No.
Is there candy in it? There is. I think there is candy in it. You gonna go put that one on the tree too? Uh-oh.
You hold me.
You can do it. Shove it on there. You gotta find a different place. There you go.
Mama,
You gonna give me that? Thank you. Santa's coal. You're giving me coal? What else you got in there? Why don't you see what else you got? What else did you get? Did you look and see what all other kind of stuff? Go look at all your stuff. There might be some toys in there if you would look. What else is in your buggy?
Gummy bear.
Oh, right. What kind of gummy bears is that?
From
That Krabby Patties? What else is in your buggy? Mmm.
Look at this bongo. We go too. Let's go bongo.
Yep.
Let's go, Mama.
Just put all your stuff in your buggy.
I want it too.
Cotton candy.
No, this bongo.
That is, but you gonna put it all in your buggy? Why don't you push your buggy over there and put it all in there?
There you go, bongo.
Oh, you put all your bubble gum in there?
Yeah, but in Walmart, you gonna put in buggy.
Yeah, just like Walmart. Are you ready to open presents?
You open it.
Well, why don't you open your presents first and then we'll eat breakfast. Then we'll get into the candy. Did you just fart?
I find you.
You farted on me, thanks. What is that? What did you get?
A fire.
You got a monster? Did Santa bring you a monster truck?
Open it.
All right.
I opened it.
You gonna open it? Can't believe he farted on me. All right. Are you ready to open up all your presents? You gotta pull it out of the paper. CJ, are you ready to open up all your presents under the tree? I guess not yet.
Mama, you know that moth rock be safe.
Are you ready to open your presents under the tree?
I can't.
Yes, you can. It's time.